Thank you for being in this space, the Chiropractic Universe by Dr. David Serio. We are very grateful that you are here.
Hi everyone, this is Dr. David Serio with another edition of the Chiropractic Universe. Thank you for following my channel. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for your amazing questions. Thank you for sharing my videos. I'm so grateful to be on this chiropractic journey with you. And chiropractic is a lifetime journey of questioning, learning, growing, evolving. So thank you, thank you, thank you. In my third quarter at Sherman College of Straight Chiropractic, as it was called back then, we had an all-school assembly with the founder, who is one of my main mentors, Dr. Thomas Gillard. And he walked in, the room was packed, and he stood up and he said, I can teach a monkey to move bones in the spine within 1 hour. I can teach a monkey to make noises up and down the spine within 1 hour. But we are not monkeys. We are doctors of chiropractic. And what that implies is a lifelong journey in understanding the vertebral subluxation. How to find it, how to correct it, how to know when it is not appearing in the spinal system. And that is what takes someone that is dedicated to thousands of hours of learning and growing and evolving, and has a system of analysis to understand when and when not there is a vertebral subluxation, and what is the best force application to put in to the spine to correct that vertebral subluxation. If chiropractic is ever to reach its full potential, in my humble opinion, it's essential that we get back to understanding the value that a proper chiropractic analysis has on humanity. If our analysis doesn't lead us to understand when there is a vertebral subluxation, where there is a vertebral subluxation, and how to properly put a force into the spine, it becomes manipulation. And what do we see today? When we go on social media, we see all types of manipulation taking place. Many forces being put into the spine, many times very roughly, in many different places without a proper analysis. I've been to thousands of chiropractic seminars, and you can see this from the stage or from the rooms. Many times in our schools, we see people. I used to see people at the first college that I went to before Sherman College, in the courtyard, on the ground, just putting random force into people's spine. And this happens more and more in our profession. When I believe in order to reach our rightful place in this world as true life care professionals, where the public is really valuing chiropractic for what it truly is, I believe we need to get back to putting emphasis and value in a proper chiropractic analysis. I look at adjusting the spine as a language in and of itself. And unless there is a proper analysis, we won't understand the language of where the force needs to be applied, when it needs to be applied, how it needs to be applied. For me, that's what a chiropractic analysis tells us. It gives us this language to understand when I need to put a force in the system, how that force needs to be applied, where it needs to be applied, with the intention of reducing or eliminating interference to life force, which is the missing link between innate intelligence and the material body. That's what a true chiropractic adjustment is to remove interference that's taking place at that missing link. Everything else is manipulation. And chiropractic has nothing to do with manipulation. So I ask, where is our true value? If we really don't have an analysis that's allowing us to understand when and when not there's vertebral subluxation, what are we really doing to people's spines? As Tom Gilardi said, we can teach a monkey how to put forces in the spine and make noises within 1 to 2 hours. But we can never teach a monkey how to truly analyze for vertebral subluxations. And for me, that's where the juice of what we do every single day comes in. I love adjusting. I love it. I love putting forces into the spine. It fires me up. But I love it because I have 100% confidence that I'm on the vertebral subluxation. And that takes years to master. That takes thousands and thousands of hours of study, of analysis, of understanding the little details. I love this phrase. I believe it was Dr. Gonston that said chiropractic is specific or it's nothing. Just the other day, we were looking at someone running a nervous scope, and there was just a little bit of air when they got to the neck, and that threw the nervous scope reading all the way off. So imagine a person reading the nervous scope for 5 years, and they're a little bit off in their detail, which changes the whole analysis, which then changes the whole chiropractic force being put in the spine. God is in the details. Chiropractic is about these little details. And these little details are what makes all the difference. And I believe when we get back to a profession of understanding that the true value comes in a proper chiropractic analysis so that we can be able to reduce or correct vertebral subluxation, our profession will then take its rightful place on this planet as the true #1 life care professionals. Thank you so much. I love sharing this journey with you. I'm here to just help you to question, to think, to grow, to learn, to evolve. And I'm so grateful that you're here. Thank you, thank you, thank you.